Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As I said on my last video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can design your t-shirt, customize your items on Printify and put them on Etsy for you to sell without leaving your home. Just on your phone or your laptop, you can have that shop, have that fantasy you always dreamed of. So guys, come along, let me show you how you can go about it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome once again to my channel, and thank you for always coming back for more videos. Now, last videos I made a promise that I was going to make a different video showing you guys how to edit or design your t-shirts, your polo, your baby underwears, whatever you want to sell on your Etsy online shop or online store. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the last video I showed you how to make design using Canva, but today I'm going to be showing you how to also make design using using a different method of designing your product. So the first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you're a registered Printify member and you also have an online store with with Etsy. Okay, after you've done all those particular registration, you're already a member, then this video is for you. So what we're going to do now is go click on the menu box, then click on catalog. Okay, now under catalog you have a lot of things. Okay, I have not tried out any other product apart from clothing. Okay, so let's go to clothing now. If you want to do kids clothing or women's clothing, you can just let's start with women's clothing. Click on women's clothing. Now under it you have options: all women's clothing, t-shirt, hoodies, sweatshirt, long sleeve, tank top, skirts and dresses. So let's just click on let's say what do you think we should go for, guys? So let's go for tank tops. Now let's scroll up. Now this is tank top, in case you don't know what is tank top. Now let's scroll. You can see various designs of tank top. They always let you know their amount depend on the quality of the tank top, So here you can see this one, unisex heavy cotton, sold for $14, and this other one is sold for 17.61. Now you don't have to deposit any amounts. This is the money that the company is selling this particular tank top for you, and you have to resell them your own. So you can resell them for, let's say, $20, $22, so you can have like $5 as profit on every sale you make. So that's it. So let's proceed decorating. So let's choose one, and we're going to be choosing, let's go for this one. And when opened, this is how it is. You can see it. This is how it is. Obviously we're not designing the back, we want the back to be plain. What we're designing is the front. And they already let you to know that you should design towards the end side or the body. Let's just try it out. Now, before you design or whatever, during my registration I chose US as my location of production. So when you're wanting to design, you can see you choose who is designing it. Is it, you want your location from US, or you choose, is it from another place in US, or just keep going down. You will see a lot of locations. So I just go for this first one. Okay, so this first one is selling for 16 USD. So let's start designing, guys. Let's start designing. Okay, it was loading now. you can see they said add your design, right? We're going to add our design. And the last one we did, we went to Canva, so we used this one, right? We use my device, but now we are not using Canva, so we don't need my device, so we're just going to go away from there. So let's scroll up. We're going to be using Shutterstock. Now this Shutterstock, this one, guys, when we're using Shutterstock to give our designs, quality logo, quality whatever you're going to put it on your um your t-shirt. So we're going to click on it, and they will tell you here that for you to use this brand to design any sale you make, if you have 10 tank top that you sell, they're going to remove 0.99. Just let's just call it $1. So if you're selling 10, you're going to remove $10, and let's say your profit is supposed to be like $5. You'll be left with $4 profit on each of your tank top you've sold, which is very, very okay, guys. Very, very okay. So now you have an idea of what you want to sell. All you have to do is come here and type it. It comes out like, let's just say rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. Click on the go, then it has loaded. So you just have to scroll up and you're going to see various rainbow on your dress. You see various rainbow. So let's go for this one. I went for this in case you didn't see it. So it's going to appear on the, so let's preview you guys. So this is it, guys. This is how it will look like when somebody buys it. This is what you've designed. I don't know why it's all happening. So guys, this, sorry, here, this here is your design. This is the rainbow. This is your design. You don't have to go to Canva, you just have to use this one, and this is what you get. This is what you get. So if you know, you can also edit it and go back and choose another design or whatever. Okay, that is how that way to design. You can also design by, let's click on it and try another one. Let me show you. Now you can custom text. Maybe you just want to write. You can come back here, you click on the custom text. Can you see it? Good. So after you do that, you just click on the custom text and write whatever you want to write. So let's just write this. I can't see what I'm writing, guys. So let's go back. Okay, enter text. Enter. Determine. I'm determined to succeed. So sorry, guys. So I'm going to be preview what I did. Hope you followed that. Okay, I made an error. It's okay. We can work on that. This is just for sample, so you can see. You can just write I am determined, whatever you want to do, and you can just edit options. You come here for color. They already have 2 colors, so let's see how it looks like on the other color. Go back. Now look at the other color, guys. Look at the way it looks like. So now that you know you're using this color, you can now go ahead to know, do you want to use the black or you want to use white or any other design for your write-up or whatever you want to do. So this is how you can also design your product for your online store. Hope you like this video. Do have a nice day and bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much.